Okay. So they're teaching 2 points in this juncture, the Rasa Lila, to attain a perfection of human life, which everyone knows is the loving service of Radha and Krishna. Usually we say, we grew up by saying, Krishna Prema. If anyone avoids these 10 offenses, he'll attain Krishna Prema. That's a fact. What life? I don't know. First of all, what life will we stop making offenses? First question is, what life will we stop making offenses? And then when that life comes, then in those succession of offenseless lives, which of those succession of offenseless lives will we attain the coveted and cherished Krishna Prema? And so now we realize that Krishna Prema is good, is desirable, we should try, but even better than Krishna Prema is Radha-Krishna's Prem Seva. We want Radha Govinda Yugal Prem Seva. So this tweaking of our prayojan, or our sadhya means goal, sadhana sadhya, the tweaking or adjustment, fine-tuning of our sadhya. Oh, I want to attain Krishna Prema, acha. I want to attain Radha Krishna Yugal Seva. Because our angle is, of course, Radha Sneha Adik, more affection and love for Radharani. But serving Radharani means bringing Radha and Krishna together. That's the ultimate service. And serving them when they are together. And when they're separated, somehow bringing them together. So Radha Govinda Yugal Seva, that's the goal. And those that follow the path of Rag Marg, or going in that way, and interested, they will understand that I want this. I want Krishna, but I want Radharani more, and I want them to be together. So we are Radha Krishna Upasakas. We say Radhe Radhe, and we so much glorify Radharani and worship Radharani, but it doesn't go just there. Because if you just go to Radharani, she says, where's Krishna? Bring me Krishna. Oh, I just want to worship you and chant Radhe Radhe Radhe. Get lost, go find Krishna. And go chant Radhe Radhe in the forest and you'll find Krishna very fast. Because anyone's wandering in the forest in Vrindavana saying, Radhe Radhe Radhe, you're not going to meet Radharani. Day and night you can wander through this forest. Radhe Radhe kotai go prema Radhe Radhe prema mai Radhe Radhe. You won't meet Radharani, you'll meet Krishna. Krishna comes and says, you're shouting day and night, I can't sleep. What do you want? I want Radharani's darshan. Okay, take it, man. What about me? Okay, you too. Stand together. Madhurya Kadambini, when you see the beloved, you faint. And then Krishna holds your hand, or Krishna whispers in your ear. Very beautiful. The eighth shower. Ashtama Varsha. The eighth shower, Madhurya Kadambini, is worth reading again and again and again. That's describing the experience of praying for the Sakya Bhakta, the friendly lover of Krishna, or the servant, or the parental lover, or the conjugal lover. Very beautiful, unbelievable. You studied? It's the most. I've saw so many times because I want that, and we all want that. So be completely absorbed in the existence of Krishna's form, qualities, leelas, and dham, his associates, and everything, and leelas, and then so absorbed that you're feeling Krishna's separation, or the apparent absence, and then you must go mad in love for Krishna. So, as in terms of anubhav, which means experience, anubhav. Bhav means like existence, and what existence I'm experiencing. So just in the mood of frankness, I can say that by the mercy of Dham Kripa, Guru Kripa, Radharani Kripa, Brijvasi Kripa, I feel myself year by year becoming a little more mad and mad to see Radharani and see Krishna. Madness to the point of crying in separation, sometimes maybe some fake tears, but something. Fake tears are better than no tears. In your privacy, not that you go on this out in public. Do you follow my line of thought? So it's not anything within us, it's because if you live in the holy Dham of Vrindavan, I think we can have some ground to stand on to speak about this, since this is my 31st year in Vrindavan, continuous residence, and I can see that if you somehow, at least I can comment from my own experience, if you play it right, love everyone around you, serve them, don't offend anyone, never yell at anyone, and keep a consistent track record of patience and tolerance and love and appreciation with everyone, and the animals, and that eventually the Dham opens up to you, or to us, and to create a certain effect, transforming effect in the heart and mind, and it all goes in the right direction. So I'm a big advocate of Jaya Jaya Radhe, Jaya Jaya Sham, Jaya Jaya Shri Vrindavan Dham, Pavana Radhe, Pavana Sham, Pavana Shri Vrindavan Dham.